And one of our top focus stories remains the probe into Liquorgate that continues not just by the ED but by the CBI as well. In fact, the top court will hear a plea by Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal that challenges his arrest by the ED and his subsequent remand in connection with Liquorgate probe. In fact, let's cut across to Riyanka, who's joining us live from outside the Supreme Court. Riyanka, good morning. A lot that's been happening in the last few days, but once again, if you can talk us through the angles that are being probed by the investigation agencies, one, and the kind of relief, if at all, that could kick in for Arvind Kejriwal at this stage.
That's right. See, at this point in time, what we see is a setback for Arvind Kejriwal is only increasing because the central agency is growing its heat on the Delhi Chief Minister, who is currently lodged at the Tihar jail, and today being the 15th of April, his judicial custody ends. But before that, we know that Arvind Kejriwal has challenged his arrest and his subsequent remand by the Enforcement Directorate. Remember, by the Delhi High Court, which was hearing the matter earlier on the 9th of April, the court had dismissed his plea, saying that the Enforcement Directorate has enough more sufficient voluminous evidence to arrest the Delhi Chief Minister. Why? Because his counsel and the Chief Minister had in fact challenged his arrest, and they had said it was illegal, but the court knocked it down and said that his arrest is a legal matter. In fact, in a 103 judgment, the court previously, the Delhi High Court had observed that at this point in time, blaming the Enforcement Directorate for its timing of arrest of Arvind Kejriwal is not something that is to be taken forward, because the ED possessive enough evidence. Why at this point in time? Because Arvind Kejriwal has not been cooperative during the entire investigation. We saw how he also skipped the 9 summons that were sent to him by the Enforcement Directorate. So his evasiveness, his non-cooperation, and all the other angles that have been linked, firstly, because we know the Enforcement Directorate has alleged that Arvind Kejriwal is the kingpin of the Liquorgate case, and that he had received 100 crore kickbacks from the South Group and the liquor businessmen and in the formulation and the execution of the Delhi excise policy. Now, what we know today, the Supreme Court is going to hear the matter, because after rejection from the Delhi High Court, Arvind Kejriwal knocked the doors of the Apex Court here in the national capital, and the matter will be taken up today. We have to see whether Arvind Kejriwal gets a relief or not. On the other hand, with his judicial custody ending today, the 15-day judicial custody ending today, the Rouse Avenue Court will be taking up the matter at 2 p.m. regarding whether there will be an extension or not. So we will have to wait and watch what exactly happens. But as of now, what we know that Arvind Kejriwal, who had termed his arrest and remand by the Enforcement Directorate as illegal, he had called it as a political vendetta, was knocked down by the Delhi High Court. We have to wait and watch what the Supreme Court observed today in the entire matter.